All right, y'all. We are on site. This here. Oh yeah. Always close that one first. We are on site. We got backed up right up in here, right where we like it. I was a little worried when I saw the dumpster there that I wasn't gonna be able to back right in here, but we got in here. I'd say we got about an inch of rain last night, so everything's pretty soft and wet. Bright side is, makes it a little easier, safer to dump sometimes. All right. Let's see how this goes. This job will take some time because they're doing some construction up in here. It's an empty trailer. Brought in all the wood. Good stuff. Yes. I'm just gonna start in here, and I gotta come in here and get all this stuff up and out of here. See, they've been going at it up in here. Something different. So we'll start out there and work our way in here. By that time, they'll probably already be here. So they got rid of all that. You can smell the PIE paint, man, no good. All right, well, let's get it cracking. There's hardwood floor in here. Grody. Pretty grody. So I'm gonna get working on this. And we'll check in on with y'all. Don't burn up my battery. So I'm gonna get to work. I'll check in with y'all on how this is going here in about an hour. So, yeehaw. We're getting to it. We're just getting there slow going a little bit once you get started. And then we get going, you know what I mean? It just takes a little time. So, luckily we're all the way in that back room. We're just bringing everything up, setting it here. You see we got the carpet up in this room. Slowly working on the carpet in this room. A lot of lath and plaster left in this little closet area. You got these panels. Yeah, it's a pretty dirty job, but you know what? You make money and I like making money. Let's go through here. I'm all about efficiency, right? Less steps, the better. Less time. Time is money. And we like money. I like money. See what else we can get in here. Stuff's just nail-ridden. The nail-ridden boat. What you gonna do with it? All right. Go through here. Whatever. Well, may stay. Another one here. Awesome. I try to keep this stuff upward so I'm not stepping on nails. Plus it takes a lot of volume if it's laid flat. Then you got air gaps. Ain't no good. I'm so thankful I can back right up to the stoop. That would be no fun, no good if we could not do that. Give me that. Like hauling dirt. Stuff is not light. So yeah, we're just knocking her out. One handful at a time. They might want that. Maybe? No? Probably not. Okay, closet door in there. Nope. This is the worst when it's tied up like this. Easiest way to do it is just get on your hands and knees and get dirty with it. Metal wire crap, dude. No good. I've only been poked about 5,700 times with the nails, so fingertips are feeling pretty raw already. Ah, as soon as I say that. Yeah, this stuff's a good workout. Get your heart rate up. Found old boy's hammer that he was looking for. Let's get the chunks out of here. Take me a water break. 8-10, like that. Let's grab this carpet, then we'll take a water break. Give me that carpet, baby. It's an icky caca. Oh man, it's nasty. Here we go. Okay. Dead body style, let's get it. Me like. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty rough, but a lot of junk, and that's what we like. We like the junk. Basically, got to rip all base of this padding out, get this laughing plaster picked up in here, kind of get that all little chunks out of there, tidy up, and get all this. Then we out. Not bad. 8, we'll be out of here probably about 9 o'clock. Get home, go dump, get home, and be able to spend the rest of the day with the family. We like that stuff. We are getting to it. Not sure when the house was built, but it's got these really nice, I think these are 3-inch hardwood floors. Man, these are nice. I think I got the 1.75 at my house. Yeah, these 3 inches is a real nice floors. They'll probably cover them up. Yeah, rot. No good. Where's that shovel there? Look at that, just walk through the house. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Hoi. Oh, she's seen way better days up in here. She's hollow. I better not get too crazy with it. So we took 7 loads out of this house already. It's pretty decent amount of piled up. Tell you what, the basement was something else. Get this all swept up for them and I'll be out of here. Smells a little icky. So this part of the house is original too, but it's like, it's pretty rough. And it looks like the workers are here, so we'll go ahead and cut her loose. I just don't like filming people if they don't really, you know what I mean? So this is what it is. But yep, we got her filled, almost filled up, you see? And I'll check in with y'all when we go dump. All right, yeah, we got her loaded. We are on the road, getting ready to turn off here. Turn up my brake. Good night, we're heavy. I'll hop out here and kind of just hop out here and we'll check on the load, make sure that she's riding all right before we go on this rough gravel road. Drop my phone, that's awesome. Ooh, thought I'd crack my screen. See, we're loaded up pretty good here. She a full load, full of nails. Did a little tree trimming on our way out. Everything looks like it's riding good. So we'll head on out to the dump. Yeehaw. I said 13,800. It's 13,700. That's pretty good within reason. Yeah, we're gonna be let them roll-off guys go first, you know? Just be nice to them, come around. Plus them guys, they see us and they say, hey, we don't do the junk hauling, but that guy that let me, woo, he done got tipsy on her. That guy that I saw at the landfill that let me go, he does junk hauling. She got wet. Mountain. Look at all them turkey vultures. Feel any of the potholes up here? A little bit of pothole filling action. There wasn't one line until I get up here. Now there's a big old line. Tarp taken off. Nails. Tearing up my tarp. Quite the line. She is muddy, 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 muddy. Make sure I'm recording on this. Hopefully we didn't catch no nails. sure everything's out of this bitch. And we're good. I heard a pop. Hopefully that wasn't a nail going through each one of my tires, as it sounded like it could have been. Clean to go. All right, y'all, that's it. We went and loaded the trailer up at that hoarder house, and you just saw me unload it in the mud. Got a little bulldozer action. Sometimes the footage up here isn't the best, dealing with trying not to get yelled at for filming in here. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go do a couple bids on some yard waste removal and enjoy the rest of my day. So thank you for watching Let's Haul It, and y'all have a good one.